it going?
Talk louder. I don't think they can hear you, sir.
Hey, how's it going? I'm screaming and
He's not screaming. I'm screaming, you fuck face.
Hey, fuck you.
Hey, hey, sir. Don't do this.
You know, what's your
Just
ass?
tell them what the fuck we're here for.
We're here so we
Okay.
can kill you guys. No,
Seriously,
no, really, we're gonna fucking kill you.
Seriously, though.
Yeah, I'm not even kidding right now. I'm gonna fucking kill you if you watch this video. You know,
Wait, are we allowed to curse in this? This is going on YouTube, dude, you know?
fucking yeah, we can.
Are we allowed to curse?
We gotta be signed in to watch.
I'm sorry if we're not allowed to curse.
We got to be fucking signed in. In order
Put
to
it on.
Hey, stop!
Put it on.
Stop the video.
Put it on.
I'm gonna tell you.
Alright, put it on. I'll put this fucking camera on you, dude. Seriously, put it on.
Alright.
Stop. What? Just tell me, dude.
In order to watch videos, you have to be signed in.
Signed in for what?
You know how you got a signed in password?
Okay. For violent videos like this? Alright, but I wear this mask because I like to kill people, okay? That's a serious comment right there.
I will fucking kill everybody in the world.
Wait, what'd you say?
I will fucking kill everybody in the world, alright? They don't even know.
I know, dude. You're just so sexy.
I know, dude. Look at that. Audacious.
Tell me, how'd you get your face?
Well, I was, experimenting on,
Oh, God. Take this out again? Oh, God.
the fangs. It's horrible.
It's so nice, though.
And, I just hate my face, so I always look mad, and it's just been a hard time trying to find a date,
Yeah, I know, man.
How did you get
Ladies,
how did you
show
get
us some love. Comment this. We're looking for ladies here, okay?
and to kill people, but
Yeah,
mainly,
we want to kill people.
killing is our thing, but we can't help it.
Yeah.
But we are also looking for women.
Ladies, please.
If you got a friend, anything, help me out and get her.
Yeah. Get her, for sure.
Yeah.
Hey,
we got
get me one too, okay?
No, fuck
Can you see me, okay?
Yeah,
Can you see me? Because I got something to say.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Hey, ladies, please, comment this. Seriously.
We need comments, and we need women too. Okay?
You need what?
We need women! Women!
Yeah.
Not to kill.
No, to kill.
No, not to
Oh,
kill.
not to kill. I'm sorry.
Oh, God, no.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna
Not
we're gonna
to
fuck them. We're gonna fuck them.
Oh, sure. Yeah, hey.
We're gonna fuck
Hey,
them.
calm that down.
I'm not gonna kill
Hey, no, sir, that is too violent for
No,
you
we're gonna
to.
fucking
Hey, stop.